Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to join the winter bird watching event in Heartopia. First, just go to the NPC Bailey J, this one, and then just talk to her like this, and then just tap on call on the duty birds like this to accept the quest like this. And after that, your mission is simply to participate in the event once, and there are two ways to join. First way, you can join the event hosted directly by Bailey J, and it happens every day at 4 p.m. like this. On this area, this one, it will happen on the at the 4 p.m. and then just come at the hours and then just join the event. And the second way, you can start the event by yourself with your friends anytime, but keep in mind, just tap on these options, and then but keep in mind you will need to pay 2,000 gold to open a private sessions, and once inside, just follow the event, and you can also invite the other friends to join, and then just start catching insect until it finishes. And okay, maybe that's it. After completing it, your quest will be clear, and then you can also join the event again in another time. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.